Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to find and open Clock app. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner. And before creating your alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right one. Now click on Settings, click, and adjust all of those options under Alarms however you wish to, like ring duration. When you are finished, go back. And to add a new alarm, select this plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour. When you finished, you need to decide if you wish to select ring once or custom. If you decided to choose custom, click on it and pick days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Wednesdays. Then click on Alarm Name. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. And tap on Ringtone. Select Allow in this pop-up. And then decide which ringtone option for your alarm is the best. You can choose Weather Adaptive at the top. And this way, enjoy your ringtone being selected. Depending on the weather, that's a little loud. You can also click on Spotify under Custom and log in to your account to use music from it. Tap on this device and tap on the song that you wish to set up from your device. Or just click on one of those ringtones, like Dreamy Jazz. Wherever you decided, when you are finished, go back. Then select this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback. Click on Snooze. Manage it thanks to this switcher at the top. And even select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Finally, to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it and tap on one of those options. You can turn it back on by tapping on the same, now gray one. Lastly, to delete your alarm completely, you need to hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!